Lead nurturing is an integral part of a successful digital strategy because people generally aren't ready to buy off first impressions. Add that to the fact that the attention span of the modern consumer lasts about 8 seconds. They are always looking for a better deal. So, businesses need to develop methods to keep their leads on the hook. Hey guys, this is Trav from Neighborhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. Email marketing is the most effective method to ensure that your leads are still thinking fondly of your business and is most likely to turn them back into customers. The trick, however, is knowing the correct method. That special way to nurture your leads and increase your sales. So, here's what you need to do. Firstly, you'll need to learn who your leads are. And if you're on the inbound marketing train already, you'll know that this is where the buyer persona comes in. You should already know enough about your target audience to be able to talk to them in a way that you'll know that they'll respond to. Use that info to keep your emails relevant and interesting to your leads. Keep them engaged with your content. Alternatively, if you're coming at this blind, knowing who your leads are is the most effective way to convert that lead into a customer. Conduct surveys, ask questions, and analyze what your leads are responding to. After that, it's just a matter of writing your emails in a way that appeals to your leads and puts them in a good mood to spend some cash with you. In order to improve your click-through rates and sales, you need to create useful content, as pairing your business message with effective, useful content will improve your audience's overall engagement. Do this with a well-thought-out content marketing plan and detailed blog posts that deliver above and beyond what your customers expect. A good nurturing email offers value beyond whatever it is that you're trying to sell. Keep providing good content that will hopefully associate that degree of usefulness and helpfulness with your brand. Ensure that you stay connected with your email leads by keeping in touch with them on a regular basis. After all, it's unlikely that that lead will become a customer on their own if you disappear once they're through the door. Therefore, consider sending timely follow-ups or thanking them for showing interest in your brand. These follow-ups can be done after a few days or even a week later. If you're really keen and you want to catch the lead while the brand is still fresh in their mind, then you could even have automation in place to respond within minutes or even hours. Humanizing your emails by using the recipient's personal information is an effective method of putting them at ease and making them feel like that you're directly talking to them, as if you would do in a personal conversation. This is called personalization and can be automated by many CRM software options. Lastly, there are only so many hours in the day, and realistically, it isn't possible to send out individual emails to all of your leads at different stages of the buyer's journey. Marketing automation isn't just how you take your inbound marketing and lead nurturing strategies to the next level, but it's how you effectively nurture your leads from a visitor to a happy customer. Imagine all the time your marketing team could free up if all they had to do was write the content and the rest would sort itself out. You simply can't lead nurture without automation. Improving relationships via email has proven to be an effective and time-tested lead nurturing strategy for maintaining business leads and increasing sales. So make the most of it and get the best possible results. Being an inexpensive yet effective marketing method, it's guaranteed to have a positive impact on your business. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone that you know that needs a hand with lead nurturing. You can also subscribe to our blog, where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people just like Neighborhood does. And that's it from me. Happy marketing.